Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two leading summer touring tires, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus and the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2. These contenders are battling for the crown in performance and durability. Let's see which tire comes out on top. Starting with wet conditions, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus narrowly takes the lead. It stops at 36.7 meters from 80 kilometers per hour, just 0.7 meters shorter than the Goodyear. In aquaplaning tests, the Primacy 4 Plus shows better water resistance and control, crucial for safe driving in rainy weather. Shifting to dry conditions, the advantage continues with the Michelin. It stops from 100 kilometers per hour at 36.9 meters, slightly quicker than the Goodyear's 37.7 meters. A small but significant margin that could make all the difference in an emergency stop. Let's discuss mileage, a key aspect of tire performance. The Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 offers an impressive mileage, clocking in at 65,700 kilometers, surpassing the 61,300 kilometers provided by the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus. For those prioritizing longer-lasting tires, the Goodyear holds a distinct advantage. Looking at environmental impact, the Michelin has a lower abrasion value, meaning less material wears off into the environment. This makes it a slightly better option for those concerned about their environmental footprint. When it comes to noise levels, both tires are nearly identical, ensuring a quiet and comfortable ride. The sound difference is so minimal, it's barely noticeable, which means either tire will keep your ride smooth and serene. Fuel efficiency is another critical factor. Both tires perform similarly, with only a 0.1 liter per 100 kilometers difference between them. It's a tie in this category, showing that both tires are optimized for fuel economy. Concluding our battle, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus edges out the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 in several key areas, including wet and dry braking. However, the Goodyear does offer impressive longevity, making it a strong contender for those prioritizing durability. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.